Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Welcome to the era of digital opportunities where the concept of online earning is revolutionizing the way we work. The rise of online jobs has opened doors to flexibility and the potential for additional income streams, all at the tip of your fingers. Imagine working from your favorite coffee shop, or even the comfort of your own home. And guess what? There's a platform that's paving the way for these opportunities. One such platform that provides these opportunities is sproutgigs. So what exactly is sproutgigs, you might ask? Well, it's a bustling online platform serving as a bridge between freelancers and clients from all corners of the globe. Picture a digital marketplace, brimming with opportunities, where you can sell your skills and services to a diverse range of clients. Now let's talk about the kind of jobs you can find on sproutgigs. The platform hosts a plethora of tasks, catering to a wide spectrum of skills. You'll find everything from simple tasks like data entry, social media management, and online surveys, to more complex projects like web development, content writing, and digital marketing. But the best part about sproutgigs? It's global accessibility. Whether you're nestled in the bustling city of New York or soaking up the sun in Bali, all you need is an internet connection to tap into this world of opportunity. Now that we know what Pico Workers is, one might ask, how does one earn money from it? The first step to earning on sproutgigs is registration. It's a process as straightforward as 1, 2, 3. To start, you'll need a valid email address. This is crucial as it will be your primary point of contact with sproutgigs. Remember, you'll be receiving important updates and notifications about your work, so it's imperative to use an email that you check regularly. Next, you'll create a password. Here's a pro tip. Make sure it's strong and unique. Your password is the key to your account, and you wouldn't want anyone else to have access to it, would you? So, take a moment to create a password that is a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. After you've filled in these details, you'll need to verify your account. An email will be sent to you with a confirmation link. Click on that link to verify your account. It's as simple as that. Once the registration is complete, you are ready to start working. Finding and completing jobs on sproutgigs is a straightforward process. Let's begin with how to search for jobs. Once you're logged in, you'll find a multitude of jobs listed on the platform. These jobs range from simple tasks such as taking surveys or writing reviews, to more complex ones that require specific skills like programming or graphic design. Use the search function to filter jobs based on your skills and interests. Now here's a golden rule: always read the job descriptions thoroughly. They contain important details such as the task requirements, deadlines, and the pay rate. Make sure the job matches your skills before accepting it. You wouldn't want to bite off more than you can chew, right? Once you've found a job that suits you, it's time to get to work. Follow the instructions provided in the job description carefully. When you're done, submit your work for review. It's as simple as that. But remember, quality is key. Sproutgigs values high-quality work, and it's essential for building a good reputation on the platform. The better your reputation, the more jobs you'll be offered. And what happens after you've submitted your work? Well, it's reviewed by the job poster. If it meets the job requirements, your work is approved. And here's the best part. After your work is approved, payment is credited to your sproutgigs account. You're not just gaining experience, but earning money too. Now isn't that a win-win situation? The final step is withdrawing your hard-earned money. Once you've completed tasks on sproutgigs and your earnings have accumulated, it's time to reap the fruits of your labor. To do this, navigate to the withdraw option on your sproutgigs dashboard. Sproutgigs offers a variety of payment options for your convenience. If you prefer traditional methods, you can opt for a direct bank transfer. For a more digital approach, PayPal is also an option. And for those who dabble in the world of digital currencies, sproutgigs 7 accommodates cryptocurrency withdrawals. But remember, it's crucial to verify your payment details. This ensures that your earnings land in the right account, making your online earning journey smooth and successful. So, double-check those details, and once you're confident, hit withdraw. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to earn money online with sproutgigs. Remember, persistence and dedication are key in the world of online work. Happy earning!